Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to flip or rotate a video in Capcut. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, put your video. Now if you want to mirror your video, just click this one right here. And as you can see, it will mirror our video. Now if you want to rotate, just click this one. It will rotate your video for about 90 degrees. Now if you don't want a 90 degrees rotation, you can just manually do this, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.